Masha, good evening.
Yeah, good luck. Good evening.
Uncle Mimi, good evening.
Good luck. Good evening.
Uncle Press, good evening.
Yeah, good luck. How are you?
Uncle, what are you doing to this auntie?
We are playing.
Auntie, you can play well. You can play. You know how to play very well. Auntie, you can play well. Auntie player. How is that? She used to play with Uncle Chimaya, Uncle Shedrack, Uncle Lebube. She used to even play with Uncle Nimia and Masha. She can play with them more than you said. She used to enter their house and play very well. You don't even know how to play. She can play with them more than you.
Finish him!
Watching this comedy video, please
Subscribe here. Please.
like and share this video. Thank you.
Share
Shut
with
up.
your friends.